come on. Is iemand anders se krag ook af? Ag nee, flip it, jy gaan ons alweer. Guys, power out again. Is it load shedding or a fault? My fridge is melting. Guys, it's not load shedding. The substation tripped. They are looking for a fault on the line. Ja, Karel. Die laaste keer wat ons dit gehoor het, was ons 3 dae sonder krag. Toeval, ek dink nie so nie. Guys, can we please stick to English so that we can all understand in the group? Ag Piet, my boodskappe is nie aan jou gerig nie. Ek sal in my taal praat as ek wil. Julle, ek wil net vinnig laat weet, my katjie sonder agterbene het gister weggeloop. As julle hom sien, asseblief laat my weet. Power failure, reference log. Same reference as last week. That's unacceptable. Julle, ek het my microwave gehoor piep. Ek dink die krag is terug. Dit was aan vir 2 sekondes en weer af. So, is middelweg nou aan? Of is hy net van die middel af aan? I just want to say this is freaking ridiculous. How are we supposed to live like this? To have electricity is a human right. Could we all just please refrain from these kind of messages? I will need to mute the group if this continues. I will give you feedback as soon as I have any. In the meantime, there's a big difference between checking the line and restoring it. Thank you for your patience. Ag Karel, dit is nou al 14 ure sonder enige terugvoer. Hoe is dit aanvaarbaar? Ag ouens, don't kill the messenger. Arme Karel probeer sy bes. Karel, ons waardeer jou, hoor. Baie dankie. Hey julle, ons moet 'n nuwe movie maak. Gatvol in Gauteng. Ag vader, dit is net blerrie incompetence, hoor. En daar sit hulle die gemeenskap se krag ook af. Oh, 'n katjie sonder agterbene. Oh, shame.